Step up your cake decoration game with these 7 amazing hacks. Pipe out some swirls of chocolate on a plastic bag and then place it on the cake. Remove the bag when set to reveal the chocolate lace cage. Use another Ziploc bag for the next decor. Poke 2 holes at the edge and fill it up with buttercream. Pipe it on the cake to make the cutest Cookie Monster design. This is so creative and a must-try. Crush some hard candy in a Ziploc bag next. Slice a pear next and add it to a baking sheet lined with parchment. Sprinkle the crushed candy on top and bake it. Place the slices around the cake for some glitz and glam. Time to pipe some white chocolate into ice water. Make the prettiest little clouds and place them on the cake. Cut a wafer cookie in a plain shape. Adorable doesn't even begin to describe this cake decor. Go crazy on lollipop flavors around this cake. Use parchment paper to cut out a cute stencil. Add your topping of choice for some cute hearts. Mix food coloring, almond extract, and then dip a slice of baguette. Stamp the pattern onto a crumb-coated cake. So artsy and cute. Which decor would you make?